When I bought the BMW 1250GS, I was doing a lot of research because that was the bike that I was going to travel from here, Boston area, to Key West, and I wanted to buy some lights and some other accessories. So I was researching about Denali and I came across this product, and everybody was telling me that it was the best. So I did some research and I wanted to show you how it looks like and then tell you right after if it was worth or not. So stay tuned and we'll talk soon. So what I bought was this, two Denali D7. These are about 8,000 lumens each one. So that will give you an idea how this is super bright, right? Especially at night, even during the day, like people see you from a distance. So it has two cables. It's a Y cable actually that becomes one, so you can connect to the CAN bus, but I'll show you that in a little bit. So this part here, these three LEDs, they like in my case, I set up as a daytime running light, so both lights are on all the time when I turn the motorcycle on. And what I was looking like in all of these videos on YouTube, you know, don't get me wrong, they're good and everything, but every single one disassemble the motorcycle, like like the whole thing is like, and I said, like, I don't want to do this, like I don't want to disassemble the whole thing just to put the wires and the CANsmart and all of this. So what I did was I went to Amazon and I bought these cable runners, and you can attach one another, right? And there's a hook here that I used. So I put it all together and I was able to catch the wire and put it all inside here. The only thing that I actually removed was this panel over here and this, and the same thing on the other side. I'll show you here. This one, and then this one, which covers the battery, because the CANsmart needs power from the battery to work. So this is what I did. I put the two D7s in front. I put the sound bomb, what they call sound bomb, which is the horn. One part is here, and then the second part of the horn, it's actually mounted here. And the last thing was this tail light here. So I'm gonna turn it on and show you how it looks like. It's pretty good. I love it. It's for me, like, safety is one of the first things that I look for, and this is how they look like. Of course it doesn't blink, right? It does like that because of the camera. So these two, and then the tail light, and then if you hit the brake, it flashes. See? So it's really bright and it's awesome. The horn we can try. I don't know. I hope my neighbor doesn't kill me. It's super loud. So it's 140 decibels. Check it out. Jesus, that's crazy. But anyway, I used that a couple of times, you know. But so I'm really happy with the results. One thing that I want to show you here, so I was able to put all the cables, right? These are the cables from the two D7s. This one, this one here, it's for the sound bomb, and they all connected to this CANsmart. So as I was saying, you connect your computer on the CANsmart, right? And you have to download this software from Denali website. So basically, I hope you can see it. Let's see. So you can customize the way that you want the lights to operate. See, like I said, I have 4 cables, right? One for the pair of lights in the front. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. One for the horn, one for the brake light, and this one here, it's for, oh no, actually one light pair, so one of each for each light in the front, one for the horn, one for the brake light. And then here you can change like everything, like what you want this to, the way that it works, right, with your motorcycle. So I'm not gonna go into too much details on this, because honestly, like when I was setting up everything, I called the support, and they're really good, and they walked me through this to these settings here. So it is at the end, it is a very nice setup. I am really happy with that. The lights in front of the motorcycle are, like I said, are super bright. People see you from like 2 miles. The tail light, people stop like way behind you because they see this LEDs flashing, and they're super bright. The horn is incredible, as you could hear. I'm really happy with this setup. It is expensive, but it's good. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye.